Everything starts with illustration. We don't use boiled leaves. We perform a controlled abuse detection.
Stoichiometry is the backbone of the protocol. We use a pressing radio of 20 grams of liquid to 200 milliliters of water. During the 30 boiling process, we monitor the concentration. By reducing the volume to exactly the same milliliters, we double the concentration of solids. To ensure that the pigment density, the number of molecules per milliliter, is high enough to produce a proportional image. Fundamental to the structure, the flagellum calcium. The basic unit of anthocyane is the flagellum with 2 being chlorophyll. Its generally molecular formula is 15 carbons, 11 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen. The stability of this calcium is due to resonance. Electrons, the localization show its 3 aromatic rings. This core of the electron is what absorbs single lights and produces the color.
The pH equilibrium equation has a promise. We can perform three. The main reaction occurs between the pigment ACR and water for hydrogen ions. We can represent using the following series equilibrium. A reaction with acetic acid, magenta evolution. By adding vinegar, we increase the concentration of protons, hydrogen, shifting the equilibrium towards the acid form. And this is a solution with acetic acid. Our hypothesis was the pH of 3 and close to range, wall pressure red. I think we were right. We performed a stress test sample stored at 4 degrees Celsius, showing no microbial growth after 21 days. Thanks to the acid environment, which acts as natural inhalant. Chemistry guys use the color, but physics guys use the ink. We had to study rheology, how the liquid behaves under stress. Ink needs to be sticky enough to stay on the paper fluid enough to transfer to paper. We solved this and didn't.
At a 4.5% WUV concentration, the aluminium acts as a natural polymer liner. It modifies the surface tensions through capillary action. The ink is drawn into the paper fibers, creating a permanent bond once the water evaporates.
We create the natural halt, the case of the most advanced chemical solutions.
Ink is more than a brain. It's a proof of concept for a circular economy.
We are team link. We don't just make it. We crack a link between a ready planning and smarter science. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the future of food.
The green, right with ink. Now the conclusions. The project successfully formulated an ecological liquid ink that directly addresses sustainability challenge. The chemical characterization demonstrated that the stoichiometry control of the pH using vinegar is the determining factor for magenta color stability. By favoring the anthocyanins building calcium form. The addition of comparative concentration of 4.5% optimized the physical property, viscosity, and adhesion for optimal functionality. While life fastnesses is low, the advantage of 0 bucks and 100% renewable source and bioavailability confirm that the chemical magenta ink successfully meets the objective of being an ecological ink of the future.
Previously, Manuel speaking this conclusion, would we add aluminium to concentration of 4.5 and add another thread?
Now we are demonstrating how it looks like those solutions.
These are the result tables. This first result will be from the stock substance table. The results are from 4 weeks. In each one, we will explain small parameters such as pH, color, odor, temperature, and durability. First day, color the purple or indigo, fresh, pH, salicylic acid, temperature 21 grads, durability, the color is still present but in the test tubes, and on the paper observation, heat color saturation no sediments. Third and fourth week, brownish purple color. Smell, it has a certain plains-like smell, but it isn't unpleasant. pH, sickly acid, temperature 21 grads, durability. The color remains present on the paper, however, in the test tube, the color changed. Observation, minor oxidation stored. Rosmarinic acid is still protecting the ACR. Moderate substance plus cornstarch. First day, color deep purple indigo, smell fresh and cereal-like. pH, sickly acid, temperature 21 grads, durability. The color is still present both in the test tubes and on the paper. Observation, excellent adherence to paper, no bleeding effect. With acetic acid, first day, color vibrant magenta, smell sharp vinegar herbal, pH acidic, temperature 21 grads, durability, higgistability, flavium cation. 40 week, the color stable magenta, smell milk vinegar, pH acidic, temperature 21 grads, durability, best shelf life, minimal fading compared to the pure botanical version.